Today, we are going to learn how to use information from the regression application in other applications on the NumWorks calculator. To begin, let's take a look at some work that is already inputted into the calculator. In the regression application, we have a list stored in X1 and Y1 in the Data tab, and in the Graph tab you can see we already have a linear regression model applied to the data. The two lists and the regression model have all been added to our variable box. You can access these by pressing the var key. The regression model is under Functions, and X1 and Y1 values are in the lists. This is helpful if you want to graph them in the Grapher application. Simply navigate to the Grapher application and input X1, Y1, and R1 of X from the var key, or by typing them in using the alpha keys. Then you can view the graph. Additionally, you can perform calculations on these values. For example, in the calculation application, you can calculate a specific residual by doing the observed y value 74 when x equals 17 minus the predicted value of R1 of 17. For more tutorials, visit numworks.com.